So welcome to the first ever video in this channel. Today I'm going to share about $350 build that I made a few months back. But of course, I needed to test it myself. So with summer sale right now, it's going on in Steam. You might want to get a better PC or a PC that can run those AAA titles that you really want to play. So today I'm going to share with you this build. It houses an i5-4670 clocked at 3.4 turbos up to 3.8 GHz. It has 8 gigs of RAM and an RX 580. For the other components, it uses an H61 motherboard, also a 550 watt power cooler with an 80 bronze rating, a 120 gig SATA SSD, as well as a 2 terabyte spinning hard drive. On a side note, I have been using this PC for streaming over the past month or so. It's doing well, but I don't think it's meant for streaming. If you really want to start streaming, I really recommend to get a Ryzen CPU, which has more cores and an NVIDIA Pascal graphics card, which is the GTX 10 series, because they have the NVENC encoder, which really helps out when you're streaming. So now, with no further ado, let's go into the benchmarks. That's all for this video. Leave a comment, I guess, for what am I supposed to do next in this channel, because I think this will be the first video ever to be posted here. I'll be posting some montages or something here, because I do have a lot of those footages for in the meantime, and I guess you can hop onto my stream. I'll post the link down here. You can ask me anything, ask me about PC building and all that stuff. I don't really know too much about PC building, since I did get help from my friends for this build, but I did pick up all the parts myself. So if you want to, I guess, ask more about PC building, deal hunting, probably some gaming as well. You can just hop onto the stream, just ask anything, or you can just ask on the comments below. I'll try to answer as much as possible. And with that in mind, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.